Candlelight and soul forever, a dream of you and me together. Say you believe it, say you believe it.
Ang layunin ng Homeland Security System para yung mga taong di dapat makapasok sa certain areas at saka yung mga masasamang loob, ma-apprehend natin. Ang Homeland Security System ay composed of two, the access system and the CCTV system. Ang mga naunang nagamit natin under ng Homeland Security Access System ay using card readers. And then after nung card readers, na-introduce ngayon yung bago, which is the biometrics. So sa biometrics, using fingerprints, facial, palm recognition, or the iris recognition. Yung fingerprint readers, bago ka makapag-access is using fingerprint. Sa 10 fingers, it's either 2 finger enrolled bago ka makapag-access sa certain door. Sa facial recognition naman, is using face. Okay? Enrolled yung face ng certain person kapag allowed siya to enter into that certain area. So, i-acknowledge ng reader to open the door. Under CCTV system, ito naman yung mga cameras wherein we can monitor yung mga galaw ng certain persons and to monitor certain areas. All televiewers, I encourage you to buy this device, lalo na ngayon na panahon natin ay maraming mga nangyayaring nakawan. So, you need this kind of device.